What is going on, guys? Snow here with CustomRCMods. Welcome back to the channel. And today's episode is golden hour. We're out here at the park. Snow is partially melted, makes for a pretty interesting landscape for flying, and I haven't been out flying in a few days, so I thought it's probably a good time to do so. You know, gloves off. My fingers are a little bit cold, but it has been warming up, hence the reason why the snow is melting. Tonight we've got the FT Mustang 3.0. I'm really excited to get back and flying this thing. I've actually never officially flown this thing before. Last time it was bound up to my friend Alexander's DX6E because I was flying the quad with my radio, so he flew it with his. So this is gonna be my first flight on the TX16S, and I took the sticks for a little bit on his, but I didn't take off or land or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my first full flight on this FT Mustang. Speaking of the airplane, if you guys want to see what this airplane is all about, the electronics on board, things like that, you can go ahead and check out the last video. It's a basic build video and a flight video with just some action air-to-air shots. This is gonna be more of a raw video, just talking about my thoughts on the airplane all together. So I'm really excited to get this filmed. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get it on up in the air. Here we go. All right, so definitely needs a little bit of trim work on the radio here. Probably it just wants to dive there to the left, which is kind of interesting. Looks like I got a fidgety servo. That is always super annoying. Yeah, we might have to make a new wing or something for this airplane. You can see it just wants to roll left there. Like I have an interesting setup here, because I don't know, it must be that, yeah, see, it's like shuddering back and forth. That is really annoying, because now I probably have to dig into this thing and get it out. I mean, it looks to be flying nicely. I mean, CG is spot on. You can just see the aileron servo is a little bit out of whack. Sorry about that. Has a good amount of speed to it. Yeah, it looks to be that left aileron servo. My trim's all the way to the right, which is super, super annoying. It just wants to slip around there over that side. I'm always holding a little bit of pressure one way, and then you really just have to have quick reaction time to keep this thing up in the air. This is super weird. This is definitely a con of buying those super cheap servos, because usually if you buy a pack of 10, you know, 7 of them will be perfect. One of those 3 that's not perfect will be functional. And then the last 2 will either be dead or one will be functional and you just won't know it. But oh my gosh, that is super annoying, because I just built this beautiful brand new plane and now I have to do some servo surgery on it. So not really looking forward to that. But for the moment we'll fly it. It's just not quite the experience I wanted to have with this FT Mustang. I'll probably change my sub trim settings between batteries, but we'll see. You can see that's hands off right there. It just wants to do a roll, and I can't do anything about it again because my trims are all the way pushed right. But there you go, that's hands off. Plenty of elevator, plenty of rudder command on this airplane, so that's always good. But again, those ailerons are just throwing the entire experience off here. I can't believe didn't notice that there in the beginning, because I kind of saw that in the beginning of this flight. Just when I was testing my control surfaces, one of the ailerons was kind of slipping a little bit. But I mean, at least we can keep it flying. That's a good thing. It's not going to crash unless I crash it, of course, but I don't think it's going to crash. It's flyable at least, so who knows how long I'll keep flying this thing before I actually do that servo surgery, which again could be quite detrimental to the airframe and the way it looks and things like that. So we will see, but that is definitely frustrating. It's just so beautiful out here with the snow on the ground and the beautiful golden hour light here, the pinks, the oranges, the yellows. Damn it. Oh, servo. That was my servo right there. Yeah, see right there? See that servo is sticking, and that's what caused the crash. Prop is obliterated. Yeah, oh my gosh. That servo sticking right there. Something, see, it comes and goes. It comes and goes. That's really unfortunate. I'm probably just gonna have to rebuild this entire plane now. Oh my gosh, that is tough. But hey, I mean, at least we crashed it and had fun with it while we did. I don't really know what else to say. I mean, I put a lot of time into this airplane, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and build another one. It won't be that big of a deal. I'll probably have another video coming out pretty soon with the flight of the next one that I build. But as you can see, wing mounting coming apart. This is definitely salvageable, but again, this servo right here is being an absolute pain in the butt. So all right, let me pick up the pieces of the prop. I gotta take this thing back home with me, throw it away. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it. Super frustrating altogether, but hey, what you gonna do? Thankfully, it's just a few bucks of foam. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Unfortunate result tonight, but we'll get it rebuilt, get it back up and flying. And thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.